Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. This is the second part of the tutorial series dedicated to creating an isometric room in Cinema 4D. We'll replace the placeholder for the bookshelf created in the previous tutorial with a realistic bookshelf model. In the first part, we'll copy the placeholder into a new file created earlier to have the correct dimensions. Then, we'll build the side wall of the bookshelf, the back wall, and one of the shelves. Next, using cloners and symmetry, we'll put the pieces together. After that, we'll create an L-shaped piece to support the shelves. We'll add these L-shaped holders to the shelf cloner to create the entire bookshelf structure. Finally, we'll create a leg to support the bookshelf, which will multiply using cloners. In the second part of the tutorial, we'll copy and paste the bookshelf into the main scene, clone a duplicate, add some materials, and do a quick render. So, in this tutorial, we'll practice new techniques in Cinema 4D, including cloners, symmetry, and the bevel modifier. In the description of this video, you'll find timestamps for important elements as well as links to tutorials that go into detail on some of the techniques presented in this clip. You'll also find a link to the music used in this tutorial. These tracks work well as white noise music for meditation, working, or any other situation where you want to listen to relaxing music. Last but not least, you'll find links to all the software involved in creating this tutorial, as well as those used for screen capturing and video editing. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and give us a like.
Bethnin Yanif Kanat Sidanan Mungkin Hasan Sidithir and Melon Manar Mere Melon Si Anaron Shi Anirasi uvaeron sui ihi amor menoli figuren by agloror kaladni penmano sui galaven istan galukavati sigales Pötgen suilim lo virahuas Kurantor yaslim ayarandor Hendi suyatui naebaim janatki Suitu rinigala Vatakin suigalu en nasuren Ayanin disanira Tira kele uvarongin Afada isital Kalanin tenano Suilador Orgin suaferin Baina pro Janetki suitlu rinigala Hetken suiliu Sairanor Menogin suyaho sidnakuren Anirasi uvayaron suihironor Menolin hirgure Baina gloror Galadnin dinano Sui galafren Iston galu Govati Sidalest Bedgen suilinloth Lila west Guentor Iestli ayarandor Hennin suyetuin Naibai Janetki suyetil rinikalat La ernindu Linna 새로운 꽈타기 수익가루 엔나스쿠엔 아에아니 디산이라 디라칼레 우바롱기 아파다 이시타 칼라니 틴나나 수일라돌 Kalagnin tinanon suigalaven iston kalu kovatir sigalest Ketken suilin los virahues Gurent horiesli nayarandur Hennin suethul naipain Genektin suyetel rinikalar Fona seron Wataki suikalu enaskuren Haea ninti sanira Tira kelle buveronki Afata isi hau
Wow! We've reached the end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. This helps us grow the channel and learn more together. Have a wonderful day.